All right, good morning, guys. We are finally starting our cursive. I know we're a bit behind on starting it, but that's okay. We'll get it done anyway. So we're going to start with just the letter A, and then we're going to continue on from there. We'll probably get through a few letters today, but this is because after Christmas, you can only write in cursive. That's not going to be a problem. Y'all got this. All right, so first one, of course, we're going to do the letter A. And so up here at the top, it actually shows you what you can or what you should do to write it properly. So first, you need to start at the top of the line, come down, hit the bottom line, then come back up. Once you come back up, then you come down and stop right about halfway between the middle and bottom line. And the lowercase a is pretty much exactly the same, except it starts at the middle line. And as I'm doing this, I want you to do it as well. I'm going to be tracing a few of these on the lines. I'm not going to do all of it for you because I got to cover a lot of letters, but I'll be doing some of these for you. So I literally want you to trace every single thing on the page. So here you start at the top, come down, loop back around, come down, and stop halfway. The whole thing has it outlined for you on the top. Start at the top, come down, back around, come back down, and stop about halfway. And I want you to trace all of these, and I want you to free write underneath each one of these. So it has it where you can trace them underneath it. So for example, you're going to trace all these up top, make them nice and neat, and then you can draw one underneath it. You should have the same number of them on both sides. All right. So you're going to trace all of those, and then you're going to draw one underneath all of them. And the lowercase a is the exact same thing, except it's smaller. So you can start the middle line, come down, trace it, come back around. Same thing with all of them. If you need to slow this down, you can, or if you need to rewind it, you're more than welcome to. But make sure you follow direction because this whole big thing is going to be a packet. So just like we did up top, we're going to trace it. And then you see you have a line at the bottom to do them freehand. It means the line's not there for you to trace. So since there are, that arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up here. Well, there's 11 on each line. There should be 11 down here. So start at the bottom, come down, loop up, come up at the top. So it should be pretty similar. Now I'm going to erase all this and scroll down to the bottom page so I can show you how to write that because it's doing some other letters. So you have ant and art. So two very short letters that both start with A. And cursive, as you can see, all the letters connect. So first we're going to start down here, come back around, come up, trace the N, trace the T, and then put a line through it. You do not pick up your pencil whenever you're writing in cursive. So you're going to trace the A, do the N, and trace the T, and put a line. Now I want you to write ant 2 more times. You do the same thing with art. You come down here, trace the A, R, T. You do the same thing down here. A, R, T, cross the line, and do that 2 more times. All right, and that's for the letter A. Next, we're going to go to letter B. I can probably have 2 letters per video. That way I don't have to make 26 videos. I can just make 13. Be a lot easier on me. So let's do that real quick. So the letter B has a couple more steps for you to do. So this is a lowercase uppercase B. I know the lowercase b looks a little funky, but that's all right. It's still not hard to write. But first, the uppercase B. As you can see, it says 1. The first line is down. Then we come back up. We trace it. Don't go all the way. And you come back down, go all the way to the line. You get a nice little fancy curve up front. That's a capital B. Lowercase b, you're going to start right here about midway. Come up, loop around, come up almost to the dotted line, and then give it a little tail. That's the lowercase b. So print, it looks like this and that. But that's the cursive version that we are working on today. So I'm going to do a couple of these up top, but same directions as it was on A. It's going to be for all these pages. You see it can trace in all up here. But I want a free write version all underneath it. There should be 11 letters on each line. I'll make sure this is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oop, this is only 9. It's capital letters. So I'm going to show you how to trace those again. You come down, up around, stop, come down, hit the line, loop back around. And then you do that down here freehand too with all of them. So come down, go back up, loop around, stop, come down, go all the way, and have a line. All right. I want you to do that for all of these. Trace everything that you see. If you pick up your pencil, you need to erase it and start over. When writing in cursive, you don't pick up your pencil. So that's the uppercase B. Now do the lowercase b. So you start down here, loop around, hit the top line, come all the way down, come back up, stop, and give a little tail. So start in the middle line, come all the way up, come down, almost to the top, stop, and come around. And same thing down here. I want one for every one of these. So this one actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on the lowercase. So that's good. I'm going to trace another one. And stop. I'm going to do it down here. Up, down, stop, and get a little tail. All right. So they should look something like that, or they should look exactly like that. But make sure you trace all of these letters, all of them. I know it's tedious. It's not all that great, but it's going to help you learn cursive. And then once you learn cursive, you can write much faster. And I'll give you the science to why cursive is better later on. So I'm erasing this. If you need to pause and rewind, you can. But now we're going to look at the word baby and boat. So I'm going to trace this one. B. Come down. Stop in the middle. Go around. A. Look how I'm tracing it. B. I am not picking up my pen at all. Baby. So that's how you write the word baby in cursive. And I want you to do it just one more time here. And then you're going to do boat one time here. That's all we have room for. So this is boat, B. Watch how I'm tracing it. O. A. T. And then draw the line. Make sure you watch it how you trace these words. These are very particular. And they are cursive. So your pencil should not be getting picked up until you cross the T at the end. All right. Those are letters A and B. Time for the next one.